Welcome to Touropical Properties. Today we'll be touring Naya Villa, a beautifully modern, spacious 3-bedroom villa with a private pool in a luscious tropical area just 1.5 kilometers from the world-famous Naiharn beach. Naya Villa is in an idyllic location in a quiet area of Rawai at the southernmost tip of Phuket, surrounded by views of mountains and tropical forest, making it a perfect place to relax and unwind after a day of traveling around the stunning island, while also being just minutes away from numerous beaches, restaurants, bars, cafes, gyms, massage parlors, and anything else you could possibly need. As you enter the property through the automatic gate where you've got place to park a car, one of the first things you'll notice is your amazing patio area with plenty of space and seating to enjoy a home-cooked meal in your modern kitchen or have a barbecue with some friends. So all 3 bedrooms in this property are large and spacious, have ensuite bathrooms and their own private outdoor spaces. And I'll be saving the master bedroom until last, so be sure to stay until then. Your dining and living area has plenty of comfortable sitting space for you and your family or guests to enjoy dinner and a movie. Turn on the air conditioning or open up the sliding doors and enjoy a cool breeze complemented by the ceiling fans that run throughout the villa. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances including a large fridge freezer, a built-in oven with stove, a microwave and plenty of kitchenware. And the sliding window facing the pool makes a great bar area to pass drinks to your guests while they enjoy a barbecue on a sunny day. There's also a separate toilet here in the main living area so everyone has easy access to relieve themselves without the need to traipse through any bedrooms. Bedroom number 2, the second largest of the villa, similar to the first room, comes equipped with a large bed, an outdoor sitting area and ensuite bathroom, but this one also has a TV to enjoy a movie in bed. And finally, we enter the master bedroom. This room includes a king-size bed, a makeup area, a wall-mounted TV, a large bathroom with a sit-down shower, and also provides access straight to the garden and pool area. As you may have noticed by the lack of drone footage we were able to get for this villa, it is incredibly private with high walls all around and plenty of cover from trees and roofing. But the beautiful pool still gets sunshine throughout the day for you to sunbathe while enjoying the mountain views. So overall, Naya Villa is spacious and has perfect amenities for socializing with friends. There's plenty of indoor and outdoor space, and the amount of sliding doors and windows throughout the property makes it all seamlessly blend into one stunning area. So that ends the tour of Naya Villa, a beautifully modern property with a private pool and luscious mountain views all around. If you're interested in the property, you'd like to arrange a viewing, or just have some burning questions, be sure to contact GT Property. All of their details will be listed down in the description below the video. And thank you so much for joining us on this tour. Please don't forget to give the video a like, share it on Facebook or any other social media, and subscribe to Touropical for more amazing villa and condo tours, and I will catch you in the next one.